Hey guys, it's Tuesday, May the 7th. Hope everybody's doing good. Got our trading stuff looking out. Welcome to anybody who might be new here. If you are new, my name's Terry. I do Forex swing trading. I don't do day trading. Been there and done that, so I won't be going back to that. And let's see, remember, this is for trading education purposes only. You trade at your own risk. You can and lose all your money, and just do your own research, your own due diligence. Don't blindly follow anybody, period. Be smarter than that. The pound dollar, which I was trying to get in, and I did get in this morning. I got stopped out at break even. It did not go the 30 pips I needed. It only went 22. So I got stopped out right there. Actually right there on that candle. That candle right there is where I got stopped out at break even. So didn't lose any money, didn't make any money. I'm still looking for a buy in here, and I think it's going to come. The Aussie dollar, there's nothing to do. It was a sale. They had one opportunity to sell, two opportunities to sell, and it's still trying to push down now on the Aussie dollar. So if you're trying to get in that sale, that would have to be your stop, to high, that candle right there, to get in right now, because it would give you a low risk trade, about 20 something pips. The pound CAD, not in this one, looking to get into it though, because it's coming down to where it needed to, and I'm looking for a push up on here, push up higher, but I'm not in it. Pound CAD. Pound yen, I'm only taking sales. Of course, this has been in an uptrend here. I'm only looking for sales, and that may have been it right there, the failure. And that could be the sale opportunity right there on the pound yen. If it is, that's your stop, that high. Euro New Zealand has just gone sideways. It is in a buy, but it has not really gone anywhere. It's gone sideways. So nothing to do on it. Pound New Zealand, same thing. It's in a buy, but it has just gone sideways. It's not moved like it's supposed to. New Zealand yen, only looking for sales. There's none there yet. Let's go back and look. We got a ways to go to get up to there. So nothing to do on New Zealand yen unless it gets back up into here. Then I may be looking for a sale somewhere up above it. Euro Australian dollar. Now this one, I was able to get into it long over here, and again, it's not done. It's done not quite the 30 that I needed it to. It got close, but again, I'm at break even on this, so I can't lose anything. So hopefully it's going to continue going higher, but I am long on the Euro Aussie, and stop loss is break even, so I can't lose anything. Euro CAD, now I was in this one, and I have been able to take off half on it because it did what it was supposed to do, and it's at break even right now on the Euro CAD long. So that's the money maker so far today. The pound Aussie has got the it's coming back into it. It made a little push up. I'm in this, but I've got a tight stop on it. I'm up just a couple of pips, but not enough to write home about. So it's close enough to where it's going to stop me out at the low of that candle right there. CAD yen, I'm only looking for sales. There's none there yet. I'm going to squeeze that in. Yeah, still nothing there. Even though there's failures right there at those, which is a sign a lot of times that it is going to fail and go down further. but the setup's not there. If you do get in, that candle high right there, 113.05, would be your stop on the CAD yen if you got in right now, and that would actually be 40 pips, a little bit more than 40 pips with the spread, about 43 actually with the spread. So a little bit too much for me. Your yen, only looking for sales too, and there's nothing there yet on the euro yen. Odd yen, only looking for sales on it as well, and there's nothing there yet either. So there's potential for a sale here with a stop at that, the highest high right in there, which is 24, trading 318. So it's about a 21 pip stop. That looks interesting for a sale on the Aussie yen. But we do got this candle, which we usually fill in a lot, even half or 3/4 of it, which would be up into here. So there's potential that the sale might not come until it gets up to here. So nothing to do on those. The only one that I'm still in is the Euro CAD, but I've taken off half the profit on it, 30 pips, and it's at break even the second half, so that one's going to make money regardless. The Euro Aussie and the Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie's got a stop at break even. It didn't go anywhere, and that worries me that it's not going anywhere. So the pound dollar I was in, it didn't go up. It went up, but only like 22 pips, 22, 23 pips. And I moved my stop to break even and got stopped out on that candle. So this video has been recorded. It'll be posted about 15 to 20 minutes. If you have questions or comments, feel free to go underneath the video when you're on it. There's a comment section there. Just ask your question or make a comment, and I will get back to you, usually very quickly. For those of you who haven't subscribed, please do. I'm not trying to beg. All that does is let me know that I'm actually helping somebody, and that's what it's supposed to be about with all the YouTube traders on YouTube that trade the Forex. But they may have started out that way, but they've gotten away from that, because I've seen too many of them now where they if they don't get X number of subscribers or X number of likes on the day, they don't put out any trades. Well, I didn't think that was supposed to be like, yeah, you do got to give up your time, but you were willing to give it up when you first started. So what's changed is what I would be asking. And also, for those of you who don't know, I think most of you have watched the videos, you know how I feel about whenever they post wins and losses. Those are very, very deceiving. That's not the information you need. That's part of it, but that's not all of it. Because you got to have the wins, losses, break evens. That would be the total number of trades that they took, whether it's by the week, month, or year. And then you need to know, the bigger question is, how many pips in total do they have, and then just divide all them trades into the total number of pips, and more than likely you're going to come up with 8, 10, somewhere in there on average is all they get. So you got to be really, really, really good, and most 99% aren't going to be. They're not going to be able to, guys who do this for a living. So you just got to get a portion of it. This looks pretty good. I just now noticed this on the par. That is a long way. I am definitely going to look for a buy long on the pound dollar. So I think there's a move up coming on it, but it's not there yet. And pound CAD, I'd like to get in that, but I'm in the Euro CAD already. So, and the pound Aussie, that was not gonna. It needs to move up. Help me out. And the Euro Aussie is trying to move up. I needed to push up, take up that, then I'll be able to take off half the profit, move the stop to break even. Actually, it would be a couple of pips if it takes out that high. I would actually be able to put about $2 or $3 on it and then let it ride and see what happens. So that's it for today. I'll have another video tomorrow. Hopefully scheduled to move some more stuff tomorrow. Didn't have to today. Kind of took a day off from that because we're getting close anyway. So we'll plan on seeing you guys tomorrow with another video.